Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix REPO client timeout. Fix disconnected cause client timeout. So as you can see here, I have several solutions but we'll go with this client timeout. So simply the cause of it is first, low system resources, corrupted game data, or conflicting background apps. Now, how to fix this? First, close unnecessary programs. Free up system RAM and processing power by shutting down background apps. Now, next step is perform a clean reinstall. If the crashes persist, uninstall the repo or r.e.p.o and then reinstall it, ensuring no leftover files remain. Lastly, is upgrade the system components. Meeting or exceeding repo's recommended specs can significantly reduce crashes, but make this as your last option because I know not all of us can upgrade their system anytime. If still persists, just report it to the game developers and wait for the response. And that's basically it.